My name is Michael Hurston. I'm from Hurtson, Georgia, and I drive the HMB Bronco. HMB stands for Hold My Beer and Watch This Stupid. The Bronco name come up when we was all riding four-wheelers. We had a big group, and we was always doing stupid things. And we all come up with a name that's HMB, Hold My Beer and Watch This. And then Mark, my son, was on my four-wheeler and jumped this big old terrace, and he said, "Daddy, let's build a truck." And I was like, "For what?" He said, "Go play in the mud." So I bought the Bronco. Well, the Bronco wasn't in too good shape, so I had a motor built, a little bit too big. All right, so we keep testing it, and every time we test it, we break the drive shafts. So we rebuilt the rear end, we rebuilt the front end, and the first motor we had probably had 500 horsepower. Second motor, maybe 650, on and on and on, and until now. A new truck called Mark wrecked it at West Georgia. You know, he flipped it end over end. We had to build a whole new frame, whole new everything, and put a bigger motor in it, and this is where we're at now. I don't care about winning a race. It's nice to have a trophy every once in a while, but I'd rather get out there and have fun and pop a wheelie, you know, lose time popping a wheelie, doing stupid stuff, than I had to take home a trophy. I guess one of the most memorable things for me is first time I stood it up on the bumper and scared the out of him, you know. And then from then on, it's like, God, I want to do it every time, you know. And I was always trying, you know, trying to figure out how to get it to stand up. And then I finally figured out how to get it to stand up, and I tried no matter where I go, I'm gonna try to stand that thing up before I go to the start line. That's my thing. Before I get to the start line, I'm gonna try to stand it up, you know. And then if I can finish, then I'm gonna try to stand up afterwards. What I really want to do was be the first shirtless driver profile out there.
I think you nailed that, dude.
I think I got it too, buddy.
Cheers to that. That's not a trend that we need to like go crazy with. Just saying.
Nice.
That's a good